Let's talk about the division symbol because I think that it has caused many confusions. And the truth is, once you get to algebra, you don't see this symbol anymore. So let's talk about it. And let's have a look at this question first. If we have 30 divided by 10 times 3, what's the answer? Well, we see that we have a division and a multiplication, and based on the Pentax, P-E-M-D-A-S. And this is how people usually learn the order of operations, which suggests that P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, N stands for multiplication, and D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And right here, because M is in front of D, so it kind of suggests us we have to multiply first before we divide. And if you look at this, if you multiply first, you will end up with 30 here, and then you get 30 divided by 30, so you will answer this 1. But this is not correct. This is the incorrect order of operation. In fact, when you see multiplication and division in the same problem, the arithmetic computation, you're just going to do it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction, you do it from left to right. The way I like to do this is that you can look at this as a pyramid. So addition and subtraction, they are on the same level, the very bottom one. And then multiplication and division, second level right here from the bottom, but same level. And the exponent, P, which technically is the inside of the parentheses, because sometimes the parentheses can mean that we are going to multiply. Okay, when you have operations that are inside of the same level, you do it from left to right. So, let me get my black pen. When we have 30 divided by 10 times 3, same level, we have to proceed from left to right. And this right here is 30 divided by 10, which is 3. And then we multiply by 3. And we answer this as 9. And this would be the correct answer for this. Alright? But the main purpose is not about the order of operations today. I want to talk about the division symbol. Many people don't like it. How can we kind of fix it though? We do have a very nice way to fix that. And that is, when we divide it by something, it's the same as multiply by this thing's reciprocal. So have a look. You can think about it like this. 30 divided by 10 times 3 as the following: 30. That's why they are on the same level, because they're also the inverse operations of each other. When you multiply and divide, they cancel. Add and subtract, the same number, they cancel to be the same thing. But if you divide it by 10, you can look at this as multiply by this thing's reciprocal, which is 1 over 10. And then multiply by 3. Now you see, if you look at the question this way, then I think there is no confusion on what operation that we have to do first. I know the trade-off is that we have to see fractions, but you get some, you lose some, right? Anyways, 30 times 1 over 10, that is equal to 3. Depends how you want to do it. So you get, just do like this, 3. And then you multiply this 3, so all in all, you get 9. Much better. Yeah. And in fact, if you want to see why when we divide it by a fraction, it's the same as you multiply by its reciprocal, I do have a video on that. You guys can go ahead and check that out.